our fun learning video. What is fraction? Part 1 video. Let's check it out with Big and Little Rascals team. Let's visit this chocolate shop. This is one whole chocolate cookie. After I bit some part of the cookie and ate it, now the cookie is not one whole anymore. It is just a fraction or a portion of one whole. So, what is a fraction? Just remember this simple meaning. A fraction is a part or a portion of one whole. Fractions are represented in this kind of numbers. Have you seen these numbers before? So, what's that mean? Fraction consists of two numbers. One is at the top and one is at the bottom, like this. The number on the top is called numerator. The number on the bottom is called denominator. I have a big delicious pizza here and I need to divide this for two friends. So, I cut it into two. One pizza divided into two. Each person will receive half of the pizza, which is 1 out of 2. But now, if I need to divide this pizza for 4 friends, then I need to divide this pizza into 4, which what we call as quarter. Each person will receive a quarter of a pizza. So half and quarter are fraction or portion of one whole. If we add up a quarter of a pizza with another quarter of a pizza, it becomes half, 1 out of 2. And if we add up 3 of 1 quarter pizza together, it becomes 3 quarters, 3 out of 4. Let's say we have a birthday cake here. Yay! We will divide the cake for 8 friends. After we blow the candle, we will cut the cake into 8 slices equally. So, how much of the cake each person will have? 1 cake divided into 8. So each part is 1 out of 8. Each person receives 1/8. Yum! Now, quiz time! Ready? Okay, Logan is walking from his house to his favorite cafe, and we met him on the way. Then we asked Logan, how far has he walked from his house to the cafe? Logan thinks that he has walked 2/3 of his total trip. So how much more Logan needs to walk to reach to the cafe? Can you please tell us how much more in fractions that Logan still needs to walk to reach the cafe? Please feel free to pause this video while you do your calculation. We will check our answer together after this. Have you got your answer? Let's check it out together. When we met Logan, he was on the way to the cafe and he has walked 2/3 of his total trip from his house to the cafe. One whole trip represents one full trip from Logan's house to the cafe. And we can say as 1. But Logan has only walked for 2/3 of the one full trip. So the remaining distance left in fraction is 1 minus 2/3. To make this subtraction easier, let's change the one whole to the fraction form. 1 is equal to 3 out of 3 because 3 divided by 3 is equals to 1. Don't forget, all number divided by the number itself equals to 1. We use 3 out of 3, so the denominator or the bottom number 3 is the same as 2/3. Both need to have the same bottom number, so we can subtract the fraction easily. So 3 out of 3 minus 2 out of 3. First, let's do 3 minus 2. It gives us 1. Then, the bottom number 3 also follows here. So, the remaining distance that Logan still needs to walk to reach to the cafe is 1/3 of the full trip. Great work, everyone! Hello! Welcome to our part 2 video. Let's learn about how to simplify a fraction. With Big&LittleRascals team. Let's go! In part 1 video, we learned about fraction and examples of fraction. If you haven't watched our part 1 video about fraction, please do so you will have a complete understanding about fraction. Now, in this part 2 video, we will specifically look at how to simplify a fraction. Let's go! Let me begin with an example here. 5/10. This is a fraction, but is this a simplest form of fraction for 5/10? To check if a fraction can still be simplified further, first we need to check if the bottom number, which is called denominator, is divisible by the top number, which is the numerator, and still giving you result as whole number, 5/10. Let's first check if 10 is divisible by 5. The answer is yes! When you divide 10 with 5, it gives you result as 2, which is an exact division, because 5 is the factor for 10. To simplify a fraction, always remember, you need to divide both top and bottom number with the same number, and both need to give you an exact division as a result. So, both top and bottom numbers need to be divided by 5. We divide 5 with 5, it gives us 1. We divide 10 with 5, it gives us 2. So, it gives us half. But, is half the simplest fraction can be for 5/10? The answer is yes! Why? Because you can't divide the top and bottom numbers any further without still giving whole number as the result. So, half is the simplest form for 5/10. If you're not familiar with division calculation, not to worry, please watch our learning video about division, only at Big&LittleRascals Fun videos. Let's try another example. 9/12. Can this fraction be simplified further? First, please check, is the bottom number 12 divisible by the top number 9? The answer is no. Why? 9 is not the factor for 12. Then, let's check if number 9 and 12 have the same common factor that can be used to divide them and give us exact division as a result. Let's recall our memory about multiplication. We know that 3 times 3 equals to 9, and 3 times 4 equals to 12. From the above multiplication, we see that number 9 and 12 both have the same common factor, number 3. So they both are actually divisible by 3. Let's try. Both top and bottom numbers need to be divided by 3. We divide 9 with 3, it gives us 3. We divide 12 with 3, it gives us 4. So, it gives us 3/4, or 3 out of 4. But, is 3 out of 4 or 3/4 the simplest fraction can be for 9/12? The answer is yes! Why? Because you can't divide the top and bottom number any further without giving whole number as the result. The bottom number 4 is not divisible by the top number 3, and both don't have any common factor anymore that can be used to divide them and gives us exact division. So, 3/4 is the simplest form for 9/12. Now, let's test our knowledge. Let's visit our galaxy that currently is under attack by 18 alien monsters. Yes, 18 of them. Lots of them. So what to do? Let's now meet Sam in his flying saucer to save the Earth. Sam is catching the alien monster one by one from attacking the Earth. Now, let's ask Sam, have you caught all the alien monsters? Sam replied, I have caught 6 out of 18 alien monsters. Now, can you please tell us the fraction form of 6 out of 18 alien monsters that have been caught by Sam? And can you simplify it? And how much more in fraction of the 18 alien monsters that Sam still needs to catch? Okay, let's do it. Please feel free to freeze this video when you do your calculation. Ready? Have you got your answer? Let's investigate together. Sam caught 6 out of 18 alien monsters. So the fraction form is 6 out of 18. Easy. Then let's do the checking. If this 6 out of 18 is the simplest fraction form can be. The answer is no. Why? Let's first check if bottom number 18 is divisible by the top number 6. Yes, 18 is divisible by 6. So this fraction can still be simplified further. Let's divide both top and bottom numbers with 6. To simplify a fraction, both top and bottom numbers have to be divided by the same common factor, which is number 6. 6 divided by 6, it gives us 1. 18 divided by 6, it gives us 3. The result is 1/3. And this is the simple fraction can be, because top and bottom numbers can't be divided any further without still giving whole number as the result. So, Sam has caught 1/3 of the 18 alien monsters. Well done, Sam! If you're not familiar with division, not to worry, please watch our fun learning videos about division only at Big&LittleRascals Fun Learning Videos. And how much more in fraction Sam still needs to catch? Sam has caught 1/3 of 18 alien monsters. Let's put total 18 alien monsters as one whole lot of monster troop. So, 1 minus 1/3. First, let's chain 1 to fraction form. 3 out of 3. Because 3 divided by 3 equals to 1. But why we use number 3? So it matches with 1/3. The bottom number is the same, so we can subtract the fraction easily. 3 out of 3 minus 1 out of 3. First, 3 minus 1, it gives us 2. And the bottom number 3 follows here. The result is 2/3. So Sam still needs to catch 2/3 of 18 alien monsters in order to save the Earth. Have you got your answer correct? Well done! If you don't get it right, not to worry. Repeat this video and keep on practicing. Practice makes perfect. Please watch our fun learning in multiplication and division so you can be an expert. Hope you enjoyed this fun learning video and you understand about how to simplify a fraction. Do check out our other fun learning videos. Please don't forget to subscribe and continue your fun learning with us. Thank you for watching. See you later.